Guys, today I'm making a video and I'm gonna prank my brother. I've got this, I blow and then I'll make this noise. So he's asleep right now. I'll show you what. He's just asleep and like it's so late. So he's right there. Ooh, so I'm gonna get ready. Need a good angle for this. Okay. So I'm gonna have an angle here. This pillow is there. And I'll just take on the blanket. So it's right there. And I'm gonna use tape. Matt, I can't hear. I can't hear, you idiot. Stop, wait, actually. See, told you they get louder. I can't hear. Oh, my brother's here. It's happened to
Matthew,
me.
wait, I can't hear.
It's happened to me, Ben.
Matthew, I can't hear. Oh.
Wait, go like this to the other ear, Ben. Ben, go like that to the other ear.
No, I can't.
Ooh.
Oh, God.
Okay, I'm never gonna do a prank like that again. Oh crap!
Prank your backfire, mate.
At least I still got you. You were asleep all day. So I've wasted that. But that was pretty loud. You've got to admit. And then I went like this. So that was that was a prank on my brother and a robbery prank. So that was meant to be a gunshot. It was pretty loud, real loud. And if you haven't seen my ugly face on the screen, please like and subscribe and turn on notifications. And if you comment down below, I'll comment back. Yeah, I'm famous, bros. So you were right, bro? Or that? Oh crap!